Guys, we are really on top of Mount Pilatus. This is the very top. I'm in awe. No words to say. This is one of the, I would say, nice scenery that I ever encountered. It is magnificent. So much view. Ang ganda talaga, sobra. Oh man, it's well worth it. If you guys come dito sa Switzerland, I really recommend you guys take the tram going all the way to the top, Mount Pilatus. Wala akong masabi, grabe. Magpapasalamat ka talaga. So far, this is good. Akit pa kami dyan sa taas. Ewan ko kung kaya. My God. Yeah. Grabe, love. Love, ang ganda ng lugar, love. I swear. Wala na akong masabi. Thank you, Lord. Punta muna tayo sa kabila, love. Dito tayo lang. Ha? Dito ba? Tingnan ko lang dito. Ito parang panang love picture frame. Selfie time? Selfie time?